Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to change language on the Truist website. So currently they don't support the change of the language. So as you can see, if I scroll down, there's no option to change the language, nor if I go to this, for example, more section, as you can see, there's nowhere to change the language. So in general, this particular service only supports two languages as far as I'm concerned, which is English and Spanish. And if you want to switch to Spanish, you need to download the mobile app. That's where you will have more flexibility. So just grab it from the App Store or Google Play. After that, just log in, tap your profile, top right corner, go to settings and look for language preferences. And just like I said, right there you can switch between English and Spanish. Select your choice, hit save, and the app restarts on your language. Guys, if you are looking for to translate the website, guys, it's actually very easy to do. Just make sure to grab the, I'm not sure if I have it. Oh, I don't have it here. I'm going to show you how to do this. So go to the extensions, Chrome Web Store, and download Google Translate. All right, so Google Translate. Install this extension, add it. And depending on which language you need this website on, you can just let us restart this page. Suppose it should kick in or something. So go to the Google Translate. And as you can see in here, we can translate the words, but you can also translate the entire page. So just go to the options, extension options, and choose your primary language. For example, let's say you're Dutch, all right? Save that. And now, if I translate the page, I should have a button in here. For example, for some reason it doesn't appear, but you will have a button right here somewhere that will allow you to translate the entire website onto Dutch or any other language that this translator supports, right? And you will have your website in any language. This is the workaround. So only English or Spanish, and if you want to translate to any language by using third-party tools, you can do that easily with Google Translate. Enjoy the video, guys. Hopefully this helped you. Like and subscribe. See you very soon.